Just got done doing this window AC unit. It is running off of solar. Got my charge controller 14.6 with the batteries running the inverter. I'm getting solar. That window AC unit up there uses 380 watts. I got like 560, 600 coming in. So my batteries are staying fully charged while the window unit works. I installed that ceiling fan. And I got this running nice and cool in here because I've had the fan running. So I got that with the trim around it. And I can put this in the back window if I needed to, or turn the fan around and point it to the back. But between the fan, this AC, it's cranking out, it's moving my shirt down here from the air. And that's it. Might have to add one, like I said, to the bedroom instead of just putting this one in the bedroom at night. So I might do one more window unit. So I'll have 2 window units and be able to run all day on solar, and then only leave the bedroom one on at night to run on the batteries and the fridge. And I have a 12-volt cooler fridge, so it only uses 60 watts. So I could use that in one window unit and be under 500 running watts all night, you know, cycling on and off. So I'll be able to run 10 to 12, 13 hours before the solar picks back up and charges back up.